we have finished the tutorial. We have covered all the questions of the mid, all the questions of quiz 3 and all the questions of quiz 4. So and this is the last time you will be hearing any lectures and so on from me. So let us end the whole course on a mental break. You remember many times jokes are about Sardarjis. I have told you that it is not that any jokes are about any particular people, but it is just famous that Sardarjis, they are part of a tribe, big tribe in India and so on. But that a lot of jokes are there about Sardarjis. So this Sardarji, Banta Singh for example, is talking to his friend. He said, and they live in the village and so on. So they have a well, you understand, a well from where they pull out water and so on. So Banta Singh says to his friend, yesterday my wife, while trying to get water out from the well, she fell into the well. So, oh my goodness, yes, it was so sad, and she fell so much into the distance. She was really hurt. She was crying and crying and crying. She was really hurt. Lots of crying and wailing. So the friend said, it was yesterday. You are saying she fell yesterday. So today, is she okay today? He said, yes. Today she is all okay. Now there is no voice coming from the well. So just a little advice that the whole course is finished. We have even done this tutorial for the midterm and quiz 3 and 4. I have told you, I have sent an email about what will be the coverage of the final exam. So chapter 1 introduction and chapter 4 on surfaces and tribology and so on have been excluded. So there are now only 3 chapters, chapter 5, chapter 6 and chapter 12, which will be covered in the final exam. And chapter 12, welding, is again also not covered fully. Only a little amount of chapter 12 is covered. So only that portion which is covered in the video lectures, only that which is covered in the video lectures, that will be covered. The rest of chapter 12 is also not there. So during the course we solve a lot of problems as examples in the class. Do all of them, right? And I have already solved your midterm and quiz 3 and quiz 4, so revise them. On top of that, homework problems are there. So those homework problems which are from these chapters 5, 6 and 12, be very sure that you can independently, without anybody's help, solve these homework problems. So if you have done already this much, all example problems during the lectures, all homework problems, all tutorial problems, so you are already very good, you are above average in the class. But if you want to be A- type of a student, then select from the end of the chapters, chapter 5, 6, 12, go to the end of the chapter and select only 1-2 problems which are more difficult and solve them. Don't select other problems. Select only 1 or 2 very difficult problems from the end of the chapter. If you can solve very difficult ones, then all others are still okay, right? So this is just a parting advice to you to make you better in your final exam. And with that, I wish you all the best for the final exam, inshallah, and I wish all the best of health and happiness and everything for you and your family and everybody in the country, inshallah. Ma'as salama for the last time in the course, and see you during the exam.